I am sharing 11 palettes that I have used since 2025 started. I have 11 new palettes. Let's go through them. I'm not ranking them. I'm just going to show you all 11 palettes in the order I remember they came in. That's it. No ranking, just the palette. First palette, Cosmic Beauty, the Lover's Palette. Love this palette. Although it is not colorful like how I love, this palette performs very well and the formula is delicious. Do not eat your palettes. I am just describing this palette. So Cosmic Beauty is the first palette I think I got in, no, Cosmic Beauty is the second palette I got in 2025. First palette I got in 2025 is Ice Cream Beauty Ladybug Glow, and it's called Just Desserts. This palette here is very pretty. I'd never tried anything from Ladybug Glow. Never heard of them. That was my first 2025 palette. Love this little palette. It is cute and you can create some colorful and you can create some colorful eyeshadow looks. My third palette was Clarity Cosmetic, which was someone I wanted to try in 2025, and I got this in my ice cream box. This 6 little eyeshadow pan palette is powerful. Powerful. When I tell you it is beautiful, take a look at this green right here. This green will create something beautiful for you. It has a dark base, but it is very, very pretty on the eyes. So this is my third palette. My fourth palette also came in the same box as Clarity Cosmetics, and I have used this palette only once, and it's in the shape of a face. The palette is called Base Blue, and it's the Artist Eyeshadow Palette. This is really, really cute. Everything in there is a shimmer. Her face is a shimmer. This is the shimmer right here. It is more of a very toned down eyeshadow palette, and the shimmers are very muted. So if you like that, this is a nice palette. I got this in my ice cream box. My fifth palette is Moira Like a Melody. I love this little palette because this little palette, there was zero fallout. It performed so well, it surprised me. And this is my fifth palette for 2025. All the new palettes, all of them are new palettes. My sixth new palette for 2025 is Beauty Creations The Legend. That also came in my ice cream box. Never heard of Beauty Creation until then. My seventh eyeshadow palette came in a duo from ice cream box. It's all multi-chrome. When I tell you these little palettes are cute, they are cute, but they're also powerful. I've only used one so far. I've not used the second one, but looks will be coming with them. This is what they look like. Don't let the shades, even though they look muted, they are all multi-chrome. This one right here looks blue, light blue. This is it right here. And I will put it right here so you can see. You see it? They are very powerful, even though they look muted. So these two Chamasi eyeshadow palette, they were my 7th and 8th new palette in 2025. My 9th palette is Bunny Love by Sugar Drizzle. I have some Sugar Drizzle eyeshadow palette my sister gave to me, so I was aware of the name. This, you can tell it's an Easter palette. And it's a face palette, eyeshadow face palette. These are the blushes and the highlighter, and this is the shadows. These are very, very pretty eyeshadows. Take a look. Just right for Easter. Very light. They're not that powerful. Again, they're for Easter. I have not used everything in this palette, but I'll be using it some more. This is one of the shimmers. And Sugar Drizzle have some pretty shimmers. So you can do a neutral look. My 10th palette that I have is the You Can Be Changeable Fantasy by Prism Makeup, and that I bought from Amazon, my first Amazon palette. See how gorgeous the colors are. When I tell you this palette surprised me, it did. It performed very well. So far, I have no problems with it. Fallout, I did not see any fallout. The colors are nice. They're not bold, but they work very well. That's my 10th palette. My 11th palette is one that just came in July, and it's Didi's Signature. And it's called Lioness Hat Pressed Pigment Palette. And I got this in my ice cream box. And when I tell you it's cute, it is cute. Very, very pretty palette. These are all the new eyeshadow palettes that I have tried so far in 2025. 11 in total. Can't wait to see what the other half of 2025 brings. These are my palettes. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate you always. Always remember you first. Love yourself very, very much. Today's I am is I believe in myself. I believe in myself until I see you and you see me. Please know that you are loved. You are loved. Bye.